When you log on to your Mactrac tutor account, this is the first page you will see. I'll now go through the most important features. The first thing you will see is your tutor calendar. Here you can set your availability, book lessons, find student information and go to your online classrooms. Green slots on your calendar indicate the times at which you're available to teach. Purple slots indicate the times at which you have a lesson booked in. There are two ways in which you can set yourself as available to tutor during a specific time. The first option is to click on the Set Availability button on top of your calendar. You then have to select the start time, the end time, and you can also choose if you want to set the time as available for multiple days. For example, if I want to set myself as available both Thursday and Friday between 5 and 8 PM, I simply have to tick the boxes to Thursday and Friday and click Save. Those time slots will then appear green on my calendar. The second option is to select the time I wish to set as available by clicking and dragging. On the box that appears, I then simply select Set Available. If I wish to delete a time slot that was previously set as available, just click on the time slot in the calendar and select Clear in the pop-up box that appears. On your account on Mactrac, you can indicate whether you're accepting new students by ticking the Accepting New Students box on the right hand side. If you do not wish to accept any new students, please untick the box. There is also a link to a quick classroom. This is where you can try out the features of the online classroom prior to teaching a lesson on the platform. There are two ways in which you can make a booking from your tutor account. The first option is to click on Book Lesson on the top of your calendar. You then have to select the date of the lesson, the start time and the duration. Next you have to select a student from your drop-down menu and the subject and level you wish to teach during that lesson. Once you click Booked, that time slot will appear purple on your calendar. The second option is to select the time slot you wish to have a lesson and click Book. The same pop-up box appears in this case. Once the lesson has been booked, you will be able to go to the online classroom and prepare the lesson. In order to enter the classroom, click on the lesson booking on your calendar. You then have to click on the purple Go to Lesson button to enter the classroom and prepare the lesson. On the pop-up box, you'll also find the student's email address, telephone number, and any notes for the lessons. In order to delete the lesson, simply click Delete Lesson. Once you have completed lessons, you will be asked to rate the lessons. You can see this on the right hand side. Simply click on Rate Now to go to the list of lessons that need to be rated. Once you have selected the lesson you wish to rate, you will be asked to select the lesson outcome, the duration to charge, which is the actual duration of lesson that took place, and you will be asked to give feedback to the student as well as any further comments that only the Mactrac team and yourself will be able to see. Once you have submitted a lesson rating, it will appear at the bottom of the page and it will show your earnings for each lesson.